How to fix phone number unavailable for iMessages and FaceTime. If you are having constantly this issue throughout your FaceTime, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, what you need to do is open your settings you have in your device and then hit on the general. From there, go through the software update and make sure that no updates is available in your system. If there are any updates, then please do update your system. Once you do that, go through the date and time and make sure that your time zone is also correct. If it is not, then do correct it. Now go back to the settings homepage and then hit on the FaceTime and toggle on the FaceTime option. For that, you need to turn on your cellular data or Wi-Fi. Once you turn on the FaceTime and check all of those, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.